Yo, people. Time to turn over the car now, you see me?
So just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Car, there's some going, you see me? Yeah. So I'm actually inside of the car and I'm looking up at the bottom of the car. Yeah, man, you can't see the car. Any come on. That's it, so. Guys, I'm kiss the shot, so. I'm going to swing harder too. Ain't gonna fall. You see me? See me? Rotisserie style, man. Man, so nice. Work, I'll get done. Trust me on that. Nice work, I'll get done. You see me? And now. Fast question. No, in a socket. To your left, yeah. First, yep, that is it. ae92levin, you got it? Got a jam on you. Soon, damn soon. Sure, say they're my virgin. You never pull it. I can prove it's your virgin, what's up? Feel how up it. Yeah. This is good to me take off it. Rough underneath. So good to take off it. From outside, I say no rust around here, you see me? It's all over now. Alright, so people, watch now. But that's some not take off inches. I'm take off inches and buck up on the rust. You see me? Come, show them up. Show up the camera. You see it? But that's some not take off inches. Take off inches, this buck up on. You see me? I say so good to take off it. Yeah? Alright, so I mean when I said not a bolt or not, nah go left and turn. Hold this man. I'm taking off the next one now. Alright, you see how look? They look like you know rust or none, not true. We can take off here and so I go. See it? Rust. Same way. So then part that needs to be prepped and dealt with. Remember you know, rust lead to rat. You might carry rat now way for you. All I know man, metal you know. Everything looks nice here man. Wonder what they behind them. Rust. Everything I get full. Everything. Put on them now, come back here. Morning. Then thirsty man, they want to hide our grace, they want to put lubrication. Rust. Just do your right thing, you know? Well off, alright. Come so. Well, I think I'll have to do bunny things though. So good. Yeah, of course. Everywhere I get to. If I look well sealed up and proper like none of this. You don't know what my book up on the but might alright. See that alright or rough than that. Two only have two options. Alright, three, so what's the right one? See, look. Oh. That's how look rust. It actually is not that bad. That's how look rust, but you know, leave it everywhere. That's what dig out and pour. I'm going to put that in. That's what the seal seal up the seal when you bucket it. So water leak in the chassis, you know. So there's nothing, you know. No problem. Alright, next side. Alright. Bring it on. Let's get right.
Everything good.
Motorsports JA we are watching now. Show them say how. This work and check it fast. Motorsports JA, you know.
Here today.
Everything I get touched now. Better Shabbat. Everything I get touched. Every part I care.
Everything good?
Everything.
Well prepared.
Start off well prepared.
So I'm going to run the generator and I do some work, you know? Digging off the sound deadening, undercoating and seam sealers to search for rust and potential rotten areas. Yeah people, so I'm actually trying to catch as much as these things that we're digging off in our bag as possible, isn't it? Try to catch as much as possible. Two of them, you know? See the weight difference. A lot all from here. See the one rust spot right there. Just to make the name page rusty too. So if we never dig off him, we want to stem the rust part there, you know. Take a stop this. You understand? That is it. We are at it, peeps. We are at it. As you guys can see, we are chipping away sound deadening undercoating. Yeah, people, we're up on the road, you see me? So, as you guys can see, we actually dig off all of this. You see me? Dig off all of this. I'm gonna do wheel housing, so same way. Yeah. I run right through the machine. The only thing I'm gonna do, I take no heap of metal apart and put it back together. But yeah, I search for as many rust spots as possible. See the people. Now they put areas that see them in there, you know. Sometimes I use the hammer. You know, if you dig them off, sometimes you can just do it like this. These stuff are actually firm, pretty firm. Yeah, really hard to get out, but we are getting them off, you know. That is the right thing, that's what it is. Yeah. but it's a little bit easier now. So one side is hard to pick up. Things like this call for patience, no? Yeah. Patience is an important thing in this field of work, isn't it? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna need my 2 hands. Sorry, just showing you guys what's up close, you know? Checking back, show you guys the process. That is it. Alright, so I'm gonna run some tune now still about, you know, really copywriting, so run some tune, progress on, then checking back. Yeah.
Peeps, I'm telling you that I did not achieve digging off all the undercoating sound deadening from on the car in one day or night. No, it was a couple days, couple nights, isn't it? Work in between because I have to work on customer cars. But you know, it's been achieved. Even my baby mother wants to help out, and my daughter as well.
Book up pan. See it? All of this are covered in water, you know. And if we never dig him, we don't see it. I'll show you guys. See it? Rust underneath, you see that? So maybe digging all of this is the best possible thing I'm doing, you know? Yeah. First of all, the fireman, and it's coated right here. That is a lot of rusty wood. So, don't know, we are run right through with the machine. So, that's the right thing. Yeah, that is people. Him, say I lie me I tell. Say if we never dig in, Mono say that's a rust. Man say man, lie me I tell, cause I know. If you start right now, that's it. But we know already read so. Yeah, but find this. Yeah. Somebody I love trouble, man. Problem child, what do you say shot?
Yeah, people, so this is what's up. We actually dig off most of the boredom. I think it's sound deadening. Yeah, that we dig off the bottom of the car. Yeah, some seal or sound deadening, I think. So we dig off a lot. All this area has been digged away. You see me? That's a mess right here. I don't do it. Upon closer examination after digging so much of that stuff. I would say that the car isn't all that rusty, isn't it? Yeah, and it's not all that rotten. Yeah, nothing but a rusty button. And I say, cause even my pot on here, so let me see it before. Right, like here's the dash show. Yeah, right there what it was showing. And I say, oh, I'll support this one. And I say, alright, a lot more would be around here. But upon closer examination, it's not a lot at all. Just a few parts. Well, you don't feel like, share and subscribe. Now you want to go on camera. Yeah, people, so let me say it's not rusty that bad. I mean, initially I was saying that it is, you know, it rusty to a point, but you know, first time me seeing the car like this, and at the bottom, you see me, and dig off all of that stuff that was hiding the rusty parts. A few rusty parts, man. You see me? Yeah. A few rusty parts, guys. Some part rusty, some part rotten. Yeah, man. Not growing anything, isn't it? But it's not a lot. It's not a lot. So what now is actually start patching out the car. I have a few more part dig off, isn't it? Yeah, but I see most of what I want to see, so I can actually start patching out the car now. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's it for this episode. Alright, you know, hit that for the update for the black car for now. Alright, you know, as me do stuff, me just drop your peeps. You see me? Yeah. Hey, this firm up, people. Let's get a high speed rotation test. Make you guys see there. So let's spin. Nah, drop, man. Trust me. Nah, drop, peeps. Okay. Nah, drop. Straight and then I'll go over. See? I'm gonna find the balance point of the car. Balance it right there. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so this is doing what I wanted to do. You know, like a homemade rotisserie stand. Yeah, man. Alright, people, outside. Catch you guys on the next one.